How do 3D printers work? 3D printers build objects layer by layer using a digital model as a blueprint. The process begins with a CAD, computer-aided design, file, which is sliced into thin horizontal layers. 3D printers can use various materials, including plastic, metal, resin, and even food products. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, is one of the most common 3D printing methods, using a spool of plastic filament that is heated and extruded layer by layer. Stereolithography, SLA, uses a laser to cure liquid resin into solid form, resulting in highly detailed prints. 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping, enabling designers to quickly create and test models. Complex designs, such as intricate geometries and hollow structures, can be easily made with 3D printing, which would be difficult or impossible with traditional manufacturing. Medical applications of 3D printing include creating custom prosthetics, implants, and even 3D printed organs for research. Additive manufacturing, another term for 3D printing, reduces material waste compared to subtractive methods like machining. The automotive and aerospace industries use 3D printing for parts manufacturing, reducing weight and cost. Bioprinting, a specialized form of 3D printing, involves creating tissues and organs using cells as the ink. 3D printing in construction is emerging, with homes and buildings being printed using concrete, drastically reducing build times. The affordability of desktop 3D printers has led to the rise of DIY projects, from creating custom toys to household tools. 3D printing offers a revolutionary approach to manufacturing, enabling complex designs, reducing waste, and advancing fields like medicine, construction, and aerospace. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.